Alright, what's up guys? DK Alex here. Again, I know the name change. So this video is kind of an update video, not really too much. I kind of just took this video out of anger because something happened that you'll see later in the video. It's a really short video. It's basically just showing you what's happened to my BMW so far. So yes, it is a car video. So I'm not too happy with it, but it's kind of what you get with living with the lowered car life. So I hope you guys do enjoy my frustration. Like I said, this is a super short video, so if anything, my intro is probably longer than this video, just so you guys have the heads up. But thanks for tuning in, guys, and I really love to see you guys' comments, likes. You know, just trying to get my driveway and stuff, but you know, fuck bumpers, right? Fuck this driveway. Fucking sucks. Fuck.